Hi, today we'll show you how to create this audio visualizer in DaVinci Resolve. With the release of DaVinci Resolve 21, Blackmagic introduced a new feature called Fairlight Animator. In this tutorial, we'll use it to build this visualizer from scratch. First, add a fusion composition to the timeline, above the audio clip you want to use. Make sure the fusion composition starts at exactly the same point as your audio. We also recommend creating a compound clip and building the visualizer inside it. This is important because Fairlight Animator analyzes the audio from the beginning of the clip. Once everything is set up, you can simply trim the compound clip to keep only the section you need. Open the compound clip on the timeline and start building the visualizer. Go to the Fusion page. By default, you won't hear the audio while working in Fusion, so we need to fix that first. Press Shift plus Space to open the Select tool. Then add a Media In node. Open the Media pool and drag the same audio file you're using on the timeline into the inspector. You don't need to connect this node to Media Out. It can stay unconnected. Now let's check if the audio plays. Perfect. Next, add a background node and connect it to Media Out. If you want a transparent background, set the alpha value to 0. In this example, we'll use a gradient instead. Add another background node and merge it with the first one. Set the color of the second background to white. With the second background selected, click this icon to add a rectangle mask. Adjust the rectangle to your liking. Then set its height to the maximum size you want the visualizer to reach. Now right-click the height parameter, choose Modify Width, and select Fairlight Animator. This modifier automatically animates the height based on your audio. To link the audio, open the Modifiers tab, then drag your audio file from the Media pool into the clip name field. Let's see the result. Looks good. If the animation is too strong or too subtle, adjust the scale parameter. You can also use offset to control the minimum height of the visualizer so it never drops completely to 0. Now let's duplicate this shape to create a wider visualizer. Add this duplicate node from the Select tool. Keep in mind that this effect can be quite demanding on your computer, so avoid creating too many copies. In this example, we'll use 30. Once they are duplicated, adjust the center position to show off other copies. Then go to Merge One and move everything to the center. At the moment, every rectangle reacts to the audio in exactly the same way. To make the animation more dynamic, change the time offset to 1. This creates slight differences between the bars, resulting in a much more natural-looking visualizer. Finally, add a soft glow effect to give everything cleaner and more polished look. And that's it. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.